Hello everyone, this is Swati from ThemeHunk.com. Welcome back to our channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how you can use advanced column Gutenberg blocks in your website. In my previous video tutorial, I already told you how you can install and activate Unlimited Blocks for Gutenberg in your dashboard. This is our Gutenberg blocks add-on. After installing and activating Unlimited Blocks in your dashboard, go to your pages, click on Add New, create a new page. To integrate advanced column block, just click on this toggle block, scroll down. Here you will find our unlimited blocks. As you can see, this is our advanced column block. Just click on it. Advanced column are predefined column layouts. You can use these columns layouts to create any type of design, and also you can create sections. These are the pre-designed layouts. I am choosing this one. Just click on it. You can add any element here like this. I am adding dummy data here. You can do the customization, like you can customize your advanced column via layout. You can change the column layout, add the spacing, from here add the padding, margin, like this. If you want to give the inner width, just you can give it from here. You can see all the changes in live customizer. You can add the animation like this. Set the delay time, speed, in advance you can add the additional CSS. You can also customize column styling from here. You can change the column color, background color. You can also add background image. You can add border and box shadow from here, solid, dotted or dashed, like this. If you want to add the border width, you can add it from here. Change its color. This is all about the styling of your advanced column. In this way, you can customize advanced column which is given in our Gutenberg blocks. Let me show you the preview. For more video tutorials like this, please press the bell icon and subscribe ThemeHunk channel. Thank you.